Hi friends, welcome to Charter Set. Okay, let's say this chart BCL Industries. Here it is monthly candle breakout. Inside candle breakout is happening above 79. Okay, once it is done breakout, the target might be 20 to 30% because it is small cap stack. It will easily give, it will easily give 20 to 30% returns within short span of time. You know what is monthly inside candle means? This is Friday candle, and this is December candle, and this is January candle. Once the both candle high breaks out or close above a daily candle, a daily candle closes about is enough. So today is trying to close. Okay, if today it is happened, then expect a good momentum in the coming week. Because today is Thursday. Okay, so I am saying that in the coming week it's going to give 20 to 30% returns in a short span of time. So get ready for use returns. Check weekly time frames. Okay, see in December first week breakout. After that, continuous inside candles. Like this is an opportunity. If you find anywhere inside huge inside candles, see with a low volume. With the low volume, only upside is the green candles are huge volumes, and the red candles are low volumes. This is an accumulation stage. And also you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I didn't count this in a little. It is suggesting purely based on candlesticks. Take your risk. The stop loss here it is. Yes, the stop loss is I am very aggressive in stop loss, so I am not keeping more below 72 only. If 72 a daily close below 72 is, I'll exit. I don't give much stop loss because it's a small caps. If they fall huge. So this is for the day. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching.